Quick walk around of a RANS Fusion e-bike conversion. A bike I picked up and put a Bafang BBS02 motor on it. Wired it up, put a battery on it. The wiring goes into that Carhartt 18 pocket bag. It's a great bag to hide the wires in and keep the tools and things in for it. Just a really neat function of that. The Rock Brothers pedals and grips I put on the bicycle to make everything uniform. The Garmin computer is an addition to the regular computer of the e-bike. The Garmin Varia radar light is really handy. I recommend anybody getting that. It's just really awesome. An old rack on the bike holds the panniers on really nicely. Great for hauling groceries. The battery goes on the bottom chainstay. And that's pretty much the walk around of the bike. It's just an awesome bike. Did little modifications with that T-bracket. And there you have it. With the RANS Fusion crank forward bicycle. I test rode a bike just like this about 20 years ago in Hays, Kansas. At that time, I didn't want to get it, but now a little bit older, it's easier to get on and off this bike. And the biggest benefit, I think, is that you can put both feet down while you're sitting in the seat at a stoplight or a stop sign. It's just a little bit safer. The cranking of it with your legs is much different than using it on your regular bike. A surly long-haul trucker, I've ridden tens of thousands of miles with that. This one was making my legs hurt a little bit after the first 10, 15, 20 miles. It's getting easier now. My legs are building up differently. But this is going to be a fun ride. It's going to be fun, and I'll keep posting about my experience with it. But thank you for looking at this bike with me, and it was a very fun to convert to an e-bike. If you've never done that, I'd highly recommend trying it. There's a lot of information on how to do it. But thanks again for watching.